Have you ever been part of the world's largest water fight? If not, let me introduce you to Songkran, Thailand's vibrant water festival. Songkran is no ordinary celebration. It's an enchanting mix of tradition, culture, and the kind of fun that leaves you soaked from head to toe. This grand event, held annually in April, marks the Thai New Year and is a time for family reunions, temple visits, and nationwide water fights. Imagine the entire country turning into a water-splashing frenzy, where people young and old engage in good-natured water fights in the spirit of purification and renewal. But Songkran isn't just about the water fights. It's a symbol of Thai culture and tradition, a celebration that brings together millions, all sharing in the joy of a new beginning. Songkran is more than just a water fight. It is a time of renewal and celebration. But how did this unique festival come to be? The history of Songkran is deeply rooted in Buddhist and Hindu traditions. Songkran, often hailed as the world's biggest water fight, didn't always involve such aquatic antics. Its origins are much more serene, tracing back to Buddhist and Hindu traditions. The word Songkran itself is derived from Sanskrit, signifying the passing or movement of the sun. As such, the festival traditionally marked the start of a new solar year and the beginning of the harvest season. The exact date of Songkran was determined by the solar calendar, and originally it wasn't fixed. It moved around mid-April, heralding the end of the dry season and the onset of the annual rains. This was a time of renewal and rebirth, when the parched earth would be revitalized by the life-giving downpours. Songkran was and still is a deeply spiritual occasion for the people of Thailand. It was originally a time for introspection, merit-making, and paying respects to elders. The act of water pouring was a significant ritual, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins and bad luck. This tradition was influenced by Hindu beliefs, where water is considered sacred and purifying. The water-pouring ritual was also linked to the Hindu deity, Vishnu, who is believed to revisit the earth at the start of the new year. Families would collect the water used to clean Buddha statues and pour it onto elders and family members as a sign of respect and blessing. This water was considered blessed and was thought to bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. Over time, this solemn ritual took on a more playful tone. The gentle pouring of water evolved into good-natured water fights, as people started to throw water at each other in the spirit of fun and celebration. This transformation was gradual, reflecting the changing attitudes and interpretations of the festival over the centuries. So, from a humble Buddhist tradition, how did Songkran evolve into the world's largest water fight? Let's dive into that in the next scene. The transformation of Songkran into a water festival is a fascinating tale. Songkran, once a solemn religious ceremony, has morphed into an exuberant celebration of water and joy. The evolution of this festival is deeply rooted in the Thai tradition of water pouring. Originally, this was a ritualistic practice symbolizing the washing away of sins and bad luck. Water was gently poured on Buddha statues and the hands of elders as a sign of respect and purification. As time passed, this serene tradition took a playful turn. The act of water pouring gradually became more exuberant, transforming into the water fights we witness today. Picture the streets of Thailand, awash with people of all ages, armed with water guns, buckets, and even elephants, all partaking in the world's largest water fight. The original symbolism of cleansing and renewal remains, but the quiet ritual has evolved into a full-blown, joyous celebration that transcends cultural and generational barriers. The evolution of Songkran did not stop at Thailand's borders. Its charm and uniqueness have made it a global phenomenon, spreading to various corners of the world. Today, Songkran is celebrated in many countries, each adding their unique twist to the festival while preserving its essence. From the streets of Myanmar to the parks of Los Angeles, the spirit of Songkran has found a place in the hearts of people across the globe. This transformation of a humble religious ceremony into an international festival is a testament to the magnetic appeal of Songkran. It's a celebration that bridges the gap between the old and new, tradition and innovation, the sacred and the secular. It's a festival that embodies the spirit of unity, joy, and renewal, bringing people together irrespective of their backgrounds. Songkran has indeed come a long way from its religious roots, becoming a global phenomenon. It's a perfect example of how traditions can evolve, adapt, and spread, transforming themselves to fit into the changing dynamics of society while preserving their original essence. In the present day, Songkran holds a special place in the hearts of Thais and tourists alike. It's not just a nationwide water fight, but a vibrant spectacle that captivates people from all corners of the globe. This festival has transcended its local boundaries to become a major tourist attraction, infusing Thailand's economy with a burst of vitality each year. But Songkran is more than just a fun-filled event. It's also a source of national pride, a symbol of Thailand's rich cultural tapestry. Amidst the water-splashing revelry, the festival's deeper cultural and religious significance shines through. It's a time for Thais to pay respects to their elders, visit temples, and perform merit-making rituals, reminding us of the balance between celebration and solemnity. Over the years, Songkran has evolved and grown, but its spirit of renewal, celebration, and unity remains the same. It is a testament to Thailand's rich cultural heritage and its ability to adapt and evolve while staying true to its roots.